Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by protecting your system and stopping the update components so files can be fixed safely. Create a restore point or quick backup, then open an elevated command prompt. Run netstop WUServ, netstop bits, and netstop crypt svc to halt Windows Update, background intelligent transfer service, and cryptographic services. Once done, disable third-party antivirus briefly to avoid file locks. This ensures the next file operations run without interference and prevents partial downloads from corrupting the repair process. You now reset the folder's Windows uses for downloads and repair the image to fix corrupted components. In the same admin prompt, rename C/Windows/software distribution to software distribution. Old and C/Windows/system32/catroot2 to catroot2. Old, this forces fresh files. Next run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. And after that sfc/scano to fix system files. Make sure to watch for dism errors. If it fails, run it. You finish by bringing services back and testing updates to confirm the error is gone. Start the services with netstart WUServ, netstart bits, and netstart crypt svc, then reboot the PC to clear locks. After restart, open Settings Update and Security and check for updates. Install them and monitor for errors. If problems persist, one key troubleshooting tip is to run System Restore to a point before the issue, or use the Microsoft Reset Windows Update Components script to force a complete reset of the update engine.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.